Alright, good evening. Papunta tayo sa Christmas party ng Team Pogi. Year 7 na po tayo, year 7. So, yan. Night mode, drive muna tayo. Skits tayo doon sa party. Alright.
So tell me gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time.